Hello everyone. Today we are going to convert a DWG file into complete Revit model, and we will be doing the basic setup in AutoCAD. After that we will import the CAD file in Revit, and we will model everything from scratch. The first thing we have to do is to hide the unnecessary data. For example, in this case we have the dimensions which we will not be needed, and we can also hide the text, but for now we will leave it. Also, before importing the CAD file into Revit, we will set the coordinate of the base to 00 so that it will be visible in the uh, Revit space. So for that, we have to type PO and enter 0, 0. So as we can see, our point is here, and if we can check the property, it is 00. We will drag this CAD file from here to here, and we will save it. For example, CAD to Revit 2. We have to start a new Revit model. For that, we will load an imperial template which is for feet inches, and we will open the default template. For now, we are not going to change anything in the levels. We will just create a level for footing, and which will be -4 feet below. We will import the CAD file in the level 1. So all we need to select is auto origin and then preserve auto detect units. So we have to not change any settings. As we can see, our file is now here in Revit. We can unpin and center it if we want. After that, here we have two types of wall thicknesses. One is 6 inches and the inner is 3.5. So we'll pick a wall and edit type duplicate, and for example this is 6 inches. We will edit to 6 inches. And another wall we have is 3.5. So let's pick the exterior wall first, and we have to choose the location line, finish face exterior or interior, not center line. For example, if we choose center line, it will start creating wall from center. If we choose finish face exterior, then it will take our exterior point as a reference and create wall. Similarly, if we choose the interior face, finish face interior, then it will select the interior face as a reference and create the wall to the outer side. So for now, let's choose finish face exterior, and we can also flip by pressing the space button. So we have to just pick the exterior points of the wall. For the easiness, I have uh, loaded all the families into one folder, and I will be attaching this in the description of this video so that you can download and practice along. So these are all the windows that I have separated. For example, I need the door first, and we will just load this and place it in the position where we want. We can also change the size, but we will do that later on. For now, we have to just place. So here the tag means 2 feet 8 inches and 6 feet 8 is height. So we will change this first to 2 feet 8 inches. This is the width and this is 6 feet 8. So the height is already okay. We will just choose it. Secondly, if we see this door is at 45 degrees, so we can change the swing to 45 degree and it will be perfect. And we can also align the door and walls. If we uncheck the thin line, we will see the wall very clearly. This is also 2 feet 8. This is also 2 feet 8. This is also 2 feet 8. We can match the swing as well. Now, if you can see, we cannot differentiate between the walls that we have created in the CAD file. So we will just change the graphic view to shaded or something so that we can clearly differentiate our walls and the DWG file. So our doors are completed. We will save the file, for example, and download. Also, we can load this bifold door, which is 4 feet, and we have some of them 5 and 6 feet as well. So this is the bifold door. We will just load to the Revit project that we have. If you can see the size incorrect right now, so we will go to edit type and let's say 5 by 6 feet 8 inches. This is width, so it is 5 feet and the height is 6 feet. And if we can see, we will have to put the feet symbol first, and then for inches we can ignore the symbol, and the Revit will automatically detect the second one is in inches. Secondly, the swing right now is 0, so we can increase that to, for example, 45 degree. This is 5, and this one is 6. We will just move by pressing MV. And secondly, this door is 4 feet, so we'll reduce the width to 4 feet. And now we can also choose the move command from here. We will pick this, select our object, press enter or press space button, and then we can move our door. Secondly, we have this was a double bifold door, and we can also load the single bifold door. Which is around 2 feet, so we will just reduce it to 2 feet, and I will leave the name as whatever it is by default. Now we can flip the door by pressing the space button, so it will be flipped to this side. Similarly, we can place it here, but this one is 3 feet, so we will pick the previous one. And the direction for this is okay. Similarly, for the bathtub and sink, I have this family, so I will just quickly load it into the project. These families are parametric, so we can change their properties like width and height accordingly. For now, it is the standard one, so I just choose it as it is.